In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a movie on YouTube TV so you can enjoy premium content directly through the platform. Let's get started. While YouTube TV itself doesn't have a built-in store for purchasing movies, you can easily rent or buy movies through the integrated YouTube Movies service, which is accessible within the YouTube TV app or website. To begin, open the YouTube TV app or website and sign into your account. Use the search bar or browse the store section, if available, to find the movie you'd like to purchase. You can also visit the dedicated YouTube Movies page by searching for Movies in the search bar. Once you've found the movie, click on it to view more details, including rental and purchase pricing options. If you're ready to buy, select the Buy option, usually listed alongside rental pricing. Confirm your payment method, and once the transaction is complete, the movie will be added to your library under the Purchases section. You can watch it anytime, even after it's no longer available for rent or purchase on the platform. If you're using a smart TV or streaming device, the process is the same. Just ensure you're signed into the YouTube TV app or accessing it through the YouTube website. Purchase movies are tied to your Google account, so you can also access them via the standalone YouTube app if needed. Keep in mind that purchased movies don't expire, but rental periods typically last for 30 days before they must be watched within a 48-hour window. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on maximizing your streaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope buying a movie on YouTube TV was simple and straightforward for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.